Hi guys and welcome again to my channel. In today's video we will be making a selfie stick at home. It is 3 in 1 and it can act as a gimbal and a flashlight for our selfies. So let's see its features. So the first feature is that the neck of this selfie stick can rotate in 360-degree angle. We just need to press this button. You can see it can move and it can also move in either direction. Just we need to use this toggle switch. Like this it is working. So let's see its more features. Oh, light gone. So now the selfie stick is ready. Just we need to connect it to our phone. First of all, we have to on the switch of this shutter button. Now you can see blue light is blinking. Now we will just on the Bluetooth of our phone, and here the shutter is connected. Just now we have to go to the camera. The camera has been opened. Now just we need to press the shutter button. You can see photo is clicked. If you are interested in gaming, then you can subscribe the SB Aru YouTube channel. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are not on our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get the notification faster. Thanks for watching.